Welcome back to our handwriting classroom. We're going to look at the key handwriting concepts and how you could teach these. So there are 6 key handwriting skills, and you can find these on your module guide on page 18. These are posture, pencil grip, letter formation, letter sizing, spacing of written work, and writing on a single line. So let's have a look at posture first. So remember 90, 90, 90. You need a 90-degree position at the hips, at the knees, and at the feet. So your feet should be flat on the floor and your lower back should be supported by the chair. Now, in earlier learning units, we discussed the importance of posture and how we can develop this. So why do children slouch? It could be the chair or the desk size. It could be that they're uncomfortable or tired. It could be cognitive reasons, or maybe they're just bored. Next, we look at the pencil grip. So in your workbook, you can complete this little rhyme. So this is about the frog legs. So put 2 frog legs just above the cone-shaped part of the pencil. Let the pencil lie across the frog's back, and then put the log under the frog. Letter formation. So a nice way is to use rhymes for letter formation. So for the apple, around the apple and down the leaf. We will go into more detail with this when we go into our letter formation learning outcome. Next, the letter sizing. So you can use fonts with arrows, fonts with dots and lines, or a little kitty where it shows you the head, the tummy, and the tail. Then, spacing of your written work. So the easiest way to teach this is to use a finger space. Now, a finger is a great tool because obviously it's always attached to your learner's body, and they can't lose it. But another nice tactile way to do this is to use stickers so that they can physically see the spacing that they put between the words. Also, it's nice to make some finger space tools. So if you do a simple Google search, there are lots of finger space tools that are available that are very sweet. Here are some examples from Twinkle that you can find in the More Resources folder. Also nice is to use a popsicle stick, and you can customize these by putting little googly eyes on them, sticking a spaceman on them, because obviously it's a space that's needed between each word. And then writing on a single line. So this is a nice classroom trick, is to make a popsicle stick that actually has the cat that you're using on it, and they can place this popsicle stick on the side of their margin. Another way is to use the cat, or I would like you to meet my friend Momo, and I like to use Momo the monkey in my classroom. Another tip that's quite visually appealing is to use highlighter strips, and they actually can't write over these with their pencil, or if they do, you can automatically pick it up. Or you can highlight the line for them so that they know not to cross the line. A nice tactile sensory way is to actually use glitter glue, and once the glitter glue dries, they physically cannot push their pencil over the glitter glue, so it forces them to stay on that line. Another tip is to use a hot glue gun, which obviously will dry a little bit faster. Each child's desk, or have up in your classroom, and they can check that they have made sure that when they're doing their handwriting or their writing tasks, that they have met all the requirements.